Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Illustrator tips and tricks. And to this video, I'll show you how to change your artboard size in Adobe Illustrator. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do when you create a particular artboard right here, then you can easily come to the top right here where you have Edit Artboard. So once you click on Edit Artboard, this is going to pop up right here. Now you can change your page size from one size to another without any stress, and for that, come down below right there, click on here. You have different presets that you can use to change your artboard size. So if I decide to change this artboard size to about 5A size, so select on it. In a few seconds, it's going to give you the current size that you choose. Once you are satisfied with the kind of size you just choose, go ahead and click on this particular selection tool right here, and then you can start your design. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Illustrator software, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.